Good morning, everyone. धर्म क्षेत्रे कुरुक्षेत्रे संवेता युयुत्सवः मामकः पांडवाश्चैव किम कुर्वते संजय. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to PPT News, your one-stop destination for the latest and most reliable updates from your city and district. We bring you breaking news, exclusive reports, and insightful stories that matter to you. Delivered with accuracy and speed from government initiatives, the community events, PPT News ensures you stay informed about everything happening around you. Our mission is to serve as the bridge between the administration and the public, highlighting issues and celebrating achievements. PPT News connecting people, informing minds, and building trust. Stay with us to stay ahead. As per the directions of District Legal Services Authority Chairman, District and Session Judge Naresh Kumar, Secretary of District Legal Services Authority CGM Sanjeev Kajla had said that if any prisoner in jail needs legal and the authority can help him. CGM Sanjeev Kajla was talking to the prisoners while inspecting Bhiwani District jail on Wednesday. He said that if the accused is staying in jail for a long time due to not getting legal and a minor case, then he can take the help of District Legal Services Authority. Along with this, while visiting the jail, CGM Sanjeev Kajla also inspected the male barrack, female barrack, and while visiting the jail, CGM Sanjeev Kajla observed the living conditions of the prisoners, food, drinking water arrangements, library, cleanliness, medical service, etc. Along with this, the National Legal Services Authority has launched a special campaign for the suffering elderly under trial prisoners convicts. Under this campaign, Secretary of District Legal Services Authority Charkhi Dadri Sanjeev Kajla along with the district unit members talked to elderly under trial prisoners convicts suffering from serious incurable diseases from district Charkhi Dadri during jail lok Adalat and also made them aware about free legal and services being provided by this authority. Secretary Sanjeev Kajla instructed that if any prisoner from Dadri district need legal help, then DLSA should inform the office. On this occasion, Jail Deputy Superintendent Roy Sahab and under employees were present. Citizens' inclination towards Samadhan camps is increasing. The camp has increased trust and cooperation between the public and the administration. People's inclination towards Samadhan camps being organized under the new system made by the government on the instructions of Chief Minister Sri Naib Singh Saini has increased, and people are also getting a lot of benefits from these camps. In the camp, the officers are listening to the problems related to various departments at one place and resolving them on the spot. A very positive response is being seen from the citizens regarding this big initiative of the state government. Nagar Adhikari Ashish Sangwan said that officers from various departments of the administration are present in the Samadhan camps and take necessary action immediately after listening to the complaints seriously. On Thursday, the complaints received in the Samadhan camp were heard and officers of the concerned departments were instructed to resolve them. He said that the district administration is regularly organizing Samadhan camps at the district and subdivision level. All the officers have instruction to resolve their complaints. Number are allotted to the complaints received in the Samadhan camp and proper monitoring has been arranged for it. The action taken, report of the complaints resolved by all the department is immediately sent to the district headquarters. This unique initiative of the state government is being present everywhere. Citizens said that a quick and sensitive response of the administration towards their problems ensures them that their problems are being taken seriously. This initiative not only shows the efficiency of the administration but also promote trust and cooperation between citizens and the administration. Applications invited for entrance examination in Sainik School, Rewari. Sainik School, Rewari is a premier institute of the Ministry of Defence dedicated primarily to the people of Haryana. Therefore, 67% of the seats are reserved for boys and girls of the home state and 33% seats are open for boys and girls from the latest of the country. The main objective of this school is to prepare the candidates for a brilliant career as officers in the armed forces of the country. Major Jai Singh, principal of Sainik School, said that about 75 and 10 girls seat in class 6th and 25 seats for class 9th are likely to be available for admission in Sainik School, Rewari during the academic session 2025. Actually, number of seats vary depending on the number of passes and withdrawals. Admission will be solely based on merit through the All India Sainik School entrance examination and subject to the medical fitness of the candidate. Total seats are reserved for SC, ST and OBC categories respectively. Out of the remaining seats, 25% seats are reserved for wards of defense personnel including ex-servicemen. Boys and girls born between 1 April 2013 be eligible for admission in class 6th and boys born between 1st April 2010 and 31 March 2012 for admission in class during the academic session 2025 and 26. Applicants can apply online. The website exam.mta.ac.in. The last date for submission of online forms will be 13 January 2025. All of India school entrance examination is also available on this website. Civil hospital will get you a new ultrasound machine. X-ray facility started in PHC of Bonkala. Sunil Satpal Sangwan. BJP MLA Sunil Satpal Sangwan from Dadri said that the state government is continuously working to provide better health services in government hospitals. BJP MLA from Charkhi Dadri Sunil Satpal Sangwan said in this series, while a new ultrasound machine will soon be available in the civil hospital of Dadri, X-ray facility has started in the Community Health Center of Bondkala. In such a situation now, patients will have to go the under places for X-ray and ultrasound. Sunil Satpal Sangwan said recently Chief Minister Naib Singh Saini was met and informed about the health services in Dadri district, on which the CM had issued orders to the top officials of the health department. The MLA said that X-ray machine has started in PHC of Bondkala, and in the coming days a modern CR system X-ray machine will be installed here. At the same time, the Chief Minister has given orders to the officials of the concerned department regarding the new ultrasound machine in the civil hospital of Charkhi Dadri. It is hoped that the new ultrasound machine will be available in the civil hospital this month. He said he is making efforts to provide basic facilities to the people along with health services in Charkhi Dadri constituency, and the state government is also continuously approving development projects. In the coming days, development will be visible on the ground in Charkhi Dadri area. Thank you for you staying with PPT News, where we bring you stories that matter. Stay tuned for more updates and let us stay connected to build a better informed and engaged community. See you in the next bulletin. Till then, take care and keep supporting us. नमस्कार, आदाब, सत श्री अकाल।